Hi beautiful kindred soul. I am sitting on a rock in my garden and having a hot chocolate. I have decided to find a little sit spot, and for those of you who might not know what a sit spot is, I think the ancients used to have a sit spot, and they used to sit in this one spot every day for like 30 days or something like that anyway. Well, I don't know if the ancients used to do it, but I think they did have a sit spot from what I've read. And I thought that might be something interesting for me to do in my own garden. And although I might not make it out here every day, I still think it would be nice for me to sit here. And the whole point of a sit spot is to basically just sit and have a look and really just get present to everything that is happening in this one small spot and this one small space every day. So for instance, in the background at the moment, I can hear some lawn mowing going on, but in front of me, I can see some beautiful images that I will take some video footage of and try and show you about the things that appeal to me, so that even amongst the noise of everything, that in any one moment in time, we can always focus our attention on something that gives us joy and beauty, but that in any one place, we can see a million things that can light us up, and that these things can be cultivated with a deeper passion and a deeper intention to observe and immerse ourselves in the magic of everyday living. So I think the earth gives us lots of different beautiful heart messages, and I don't know what all of these heart messages actually are sometimes, because I feel like I've not been fully deeply connected with Mother Earth over the years, even though I'm an integral part of the earth. And so I guess I'm just taking you along with me on this journey, and whatever I notice and discover, I'll just share with you and hope it, I don't know, opens up something for you as I know it is opening up for me. So in my sit spot today, I'll video footage a few things that I'm noticing, and I will just take these as they come and just share these with you. Many thanks for joining me as usual.